I'm Charmaine Smith and my role is housemistress of EW's house. My role is the pastoral care of the pupils in Year 7 and Year 8. The pupils here are lovely, they're just so open and polite and genuine.
Our housemistress is Miss Smith. She's really nice, she's quite like a bubbly character.
My favourite part of the job is talking to the children. They're really funny, they've got really good senses of humour.
The atmosphere is obviously sometimes very loud and very exciting and joyful.
There's a lot of laughter, fun, energy in the house, which makes it really worthwhile. The EW's pupils have Xbox, PlayStation, a library, TVs, music rooms, table tennis, basketball, AstroTurf, use of the swimming pool. They mostly, to be honest, choose to play table tennis. That's a big hit. But we do have other things going on, art and craft, IT, films, really lots of facilities.
It's got tons of things to do and you won't really get bored.
Yeah, they have fun.
We've always been reminded to do prep and to do it to the fullest, so not only will it be fun, but it's also focused.
Obviously the school has a long history, but EW's house is a newly decorated, lovely building with activities going on in it, so we have a vibrant, bustling school.
You're going to be so welcomed when you first step foot into the house, and everyone's just going to be so loving and always making sure that you're all right and that everything's going okay.
You feel it as soon as you come in. It's very electric, and it's a very modern, very state-of-the-art, very user-friendly building. This is a typical boys' dormitory. It's their area and they look after it and maintain it, and they relax here before bed. This is a typical girls' dormitory. The girls have a lot of comfortable things, a lot of lights and a lot of posters, and matron checks on how much stuff's on the floor very often. The chapel is always open. We have morning and night prayers here, and the door's always open in the day if anyone wants a quiet moment to reflect. This is the heart of the house. This is where we do registrations, and this is where we meet at different points in the day. The prep room we use for evening prep with Year 7s, and then we double up and do quizzes during the weekend. There are two common areas, one for TV and then one for just relaxing and chatting to friends. So we use the study for different things. Mostly it's for quiet chats and reflections. Last weekend we used it for spa. We did pedicures and manicures in here, and it smelled of lavender for about 2 days after that, so it was really nice. So the IT room is a lovely area where pupils can research things for their prep when they have IT prep. Music rooms are for private practice, and pupils do that often in the evenings. The Astro is a fantastic way of letting off steam and playing hockey or football up here in the early evening, or occasionally at the weekend in the mornings. The house is right in the heart of the school, which is lovely. It feels very secure, just nestled between two senior houses.
We're all very close, and we mix with the Year 8s quite a lot as well.
They look after each other, they stand up for each other.
It creates like a really exciting environment, but a really kind, loving and hospitable environment.
We don't really treat each other as separate years. In this house, we treat each other more like as one.
It's very much a sense of community, and nobody gets left out. Ampleforth produces men and women for others. The adults it produces are the kind of people you want your children to turn into. I would just say to anyone who's even thinking about it, even remotely, it's definitely worth coming and spending the day, because then you'll know for sure that this is the right place.